Birthday message ni Chris para kay Bimby kinaantigan ng marami. Kinaantigan nga ng maraming madla sa social media ang madamdaming birthday message ni Chris para sa anak. Noong April 19 ay ipinagdiriwang ang kaarawan ng bunsong anak ni Chris Aquino na si James Carlos Aquino Yap Jr. o mas kilala ng lahat bilang si Bimby Aquino. Sa edad na 17 ay nasa 6 na talampakan at 1 pulgada na ang taas ni Bimby at magkasing tangkad na sila ng Kuya Joshua Aquino niya na kasalukuyang nandito sa Pilipinas. Madamdamin nga ang naging birthday message ni Chris Aquino para sa kanyang anak na naibahagi niya sa kanyang Instagram account. Ibinahagi niya ang mga litrato na magkayakap sila na may mga balon sa kanilang sala sa bahay sa Orange Country, California, USA. Nagbalik tanaw din ang Queen of Social Media sa mga dinaanan at dinadaanan niyang pagsubok tungkol sa kalagayan ng kanyang kalusugan, panimula sa caption ni Chris Aquino sa mga larawan nila ng anak, "There's a lot I haven't shared with you about the current state of my health, primarily because my news has mostly been sad." Kwento pa niya, April 19, 2007 I give birth to my living guardian angel. In the past month with Kuya Josh, back in the Philippines, and because of several vaccines I needed to be given, Bimby kept me company while I quarantined. Ayokong sirain ang dapat good vibes sa 17th birthday ni Bim, but I also know for all those praying for us, I owe you the truth. Padaanin lang natin please ang April 19. Happy birthday to our beloved at Chinita princess, with smiling face and heart emojis. Mensahe pa niya, to Bim, I'm keeping the promise I made to you September 28, 2018, when we first knew there was something scary about my sudden weight loss and my complete blood test result. I'm sorry for showing weakness yesterday, when I cried non-stop because of my fear that I may not be around to be with you on your 18th birthday. It's my bad for not being grateful that against all odds, with 5 autoimmune conditions, 3 of them that are life-threatening, I failed to see the glass as being half full, because you've matured so much and you're always ready to help my nurses. And though I know you're also freaked, you still show calm and absolute faith in God. When my BP and heart rate reach scary high numbers, no matter how much physical pain I endure daily, my heart overflows with love, because of your caring, selfless, unconditional love. My one wish is for your character to remain strong, your values and integrity stay admirable, your respectful and polite manner unchanged, and your passion for learning will continue to inspire you to make the most of your education. I love you not only during my lifetime of yours but definitely for eternity. You're my greatest achievement. Because of your capacity to love this early, you've embraced your responsibility to take care of your kuya, and since you were 11 years old, you've been so protective of me. Love doesn't die, Mai. Please remember that. Happy birthday to the love of my life, ani pa ni Chris. Maraming netizens ang bumati kay Bim at sa mama niyang si Chris na sana gumaling na sa lalong madaling panahon.